As you know, we are all experiencing this very unique situation during the COVID-19 pandemic. We want you to know, first of all, that our thoughts and prayers are with those that have been directly affected. We hope for a quick recovery of our beautiful city from a health standpoint, an economic standpoint, and we look forward to getting back to rebuilding the friendly and generous spirit of the good people of our community. During this time, as an emergency provider serving residential and commercial clients in quick recovery after unexpected property damage, we remain open and ready to respond. We've recently made some changes in the way that we operate in an effort to ensure the safety and well-being of our customers and our staff. I want to personally share with you how we have adapted our way of doing business, which should give you peace of mind should you find yourself in need of our help. First of all, we have moved to virtual property inspections. When you call our office, we will immediately coordinate a virtual inspection to determine the severity of your property damage, which will also allow us to know exactly how to respond to you. Once we've determined the necessary action required based on your immediate need, our office will explain our process and any necessary documents will be handled electronically. This process will eliminate the need to sign documents when we arrive. Once you've chosen our company to work for you, whether you've experienced a flood, a fire, or other unexpected damage to your home or business, our crew will arrive ready to perform the service. We've shifted our process in a way that we limit the need for contact with our crew. Our staff will arrive in a Lariat branded vehicle and will arrive in full personal protective equipment, giving you the peace of mind that we are there for one purpose only, while using the most extreme caution and care for your home or business. We understand your hesitation and concern for your health and safety during these difficult times, and we are committed to doing our very best to respecting that. We thank you for your trust in our company, and we encourage you to stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive.